Let's go ahead and create our digital business card, which is going to be a website so you can always have it with you. In Canva, it is super easy to create. There are a couple of different ways that you can do it. I always start with kind of like a Linktree link website. So I just search for a link and then hit enter. You can use the same digital business card on your social media as well. And then I just look through here to see what's free and what I like. And I have chosen this one to start with. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And then I am going to start modifying it. So here where it says ask me, I would put my business name in. And then of course I would make this a little bit wider. And then make the font a little bit smaller so it looks nicer. And then let's pretend that this is my logo right here. I would put that in here and line that up. I wouldn't want this or that part or these parts down here, so I would just go ahead and delete that. But I do like these two as our buttons for our digital business card. So where it says type something here, I would now put Facebook, make that all a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. And then I would go ahead and take both of these and I would duplicate them for my next portion, which might be my website. And then again for maybe my email contact, and then lastly for my about me. And so I would obviously change that here and I would put website, and then here I would do email, and then like I said, the last one, a little about me so people can learn more about my business. Here in uploads, you can upload a lot of this stuff. If you want to put in the symbols or something, you can do that under elements. I keep mine very basic. So now for my Facebook page, I would want to go ahead and link this. So to link it, I would just go ahead, take my link, copy that, and then I would select my text. And here under the three dots, there's a link option. Click on that, go ahead and add my link and hit enter. Then you can see that it is underlined, which means that this is now a hyperlink. So once we set it live as a website, people can click on it and automatically go to your Facebook page. And then I would go ahead and fill all of these links out. I'm not going to do this on camera, but I do have this ready to go over here. It would look something like this. You can see all of them are hyperlinked. And then all I would want to do is I would go over here to where it says share. And then at the bottom, I would go to more. And then here under share, there's the website option. And I would go ahead and click that. And then I haven't found a whole lot of differences between the different web styles. Some look better on a phone, some look better on a computer. I usually try to find one that looks good on a phone because most of the time I'm going to be using this digital business card on a phone. So I think I always end up using scrolling. So then I can go ahead and I can say open website, and there we have our pretty little website. It has all of the links, and as I said, now if I click on Facebook, it is going to bring people right to my Facebook page, as you can see. And if I go to about me, I always create a secondary Canva project that is an about me, where I can just give them a little bit of context of why I have my business, what's important to me, who I am, and why they should be buying from me. And now that I have my website, I can just go ahead and copy this link up here and then use that for any of my digital business card needs. Like, for example, turning it into a QR code to put onto my keychain which is something that you will learn how to do in the next project. I hope you found this helpful. Again, as I said, you would just go ahead and link all of these items and then share it as a website and then just copy the link. It's super easy.